What's the meaning of cowcatcher? Cowcatcher. Cowcatcher.
Cowcatcher. Cowcatcher. A cowcatcher is a device attached to the front of trains and some vehicles, designed to deflect obstacles from the tracks. It typically consists of a metal frame with angled bars or plates, which guide objects off to the sides rather than allowing them to get caught under the wheels. The term comes from the early days of railroading, when trains would often collide with cows on the tracks. Today, cowcatchers are mainly used for safety reasons, to protect trains and their passengers from encountering debris or animals on the tracks.